Hey everyone, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Today we're going to be making a bench with storage. We're going to be using some pine wood that I purchased from Home Depot, and we're also going to be using some pallet wood for the slats. Make sure to stay tuned and see how I put it together. Okay, now that we have all our skid boards cut for our front, this will be the bottom of the front for the legs. This is the inside with the pocket holes, and then we've already cut this 2x4. So we'll line up all the skid boards on the inside. So this here will be the front of the bench, and we'll have our armrests over here. And yeah, this will be the front. It's going to get painted. So yeah, it'll look good when it's done. So now we're going to cut the two sides out of this 2x4 for the backs. These backs are going to be 30 inches high, whereas the front bench is 18. Okay, we got our two back pieces cut, and now we need 3 cross rails. So we'll get those cut next. Okay, now that we got all those cut out, we're going to drill all of our pocket holes. And this is 2 inches up from the bottom to match our front piece we made earlier. So now we got the bottom end. Now we got to work at the top part where that will be the backrest. Fit. Get the last piece in here. Okay, now with all the boards in, we can put our cap on. Okay, and there is our back done. Now that we have our 2 front and back done, we're going to make our sides. So they're going to be 16 inches tall, and we're going to cut 4 of them. Okay, so now we're going to make the side pieces that are 6 inches, and that'll make the bench depth. So we'll cut those now. Just get rid of this knot on here first. Flip it over. Okay, good. Just want to make sure that piece is gone. So 6 inches. And here are our 2 sides. So we will put the pocket holes in, and then we will cut out the insides for the pallet boards. This 10 inches from here to here with the boards on the inside, and we're going to cut our skid boards to fit in this for the ends. Okay, now with our pallet boards planed, we can insert them in there and into this one. Those inserted. Now we can put our caps on. With our 2 end panels done, now we can assemble the bench together and have a look ahead and see where we're at. Okay, this is to hold the skid boards at the bottom of the bench.
Yeah.
So now we got our 2 guide rails that are going to hold our boards to the bottom. Okay, so this board is going in because it's going to hold our hinges for our seat. Okay, now we have the armrests on, as you can see. Okay, so now we have the boards rough cut, like that. We've made spacers, they're not in here right now, but we're going to plane all these boards. We got spacers for underneath the armrests. So we're going to plane all these, then we'll put a piece on the underside to hold them all together, and we'll mount our hinges on. Stay tuned. So here is our bench. The other side has already been pre-planed. We've got our bottom brackets to hold the boards together. Now we're just going to pre-drill them all and put screws in them. So here's the final bench. I'm more than happy with how it turned out. With the pallet wood and the top boards there are all pallet wood. The only thing is the 2x4s were purchased. And obviously the hinges. And we added these little caps to make it flush with the seat. And that's it. It's all done. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and catch me on my next video.